If your Panasonic microwave seems stuck and won't respond to any buttons, there's a good chance it's just locked. This happens more often than you'd think, usually because of the built-in child lock feature. Here's how to get things working again. First, look at the display panel. If you see a padlock icon or the word lock, then yeah, it's in lock mode. To unlock it, try pressing and holding the stop/cancel button for about 3 to 5 seconds. That usually does the trick. If nothing happens, try doing the same with the start button instead. On some models, you might need to hold down both stop and start at the same time for a few seconds. This lock is actually a safety feature meant to keep kids from starting the microwave by accident. It's helpful, but a bit frustrating if you don't know how it got turned on. If you're still stuck and not sure what your specific model needs, just head to the Panasonic website. You can search for your model number and download the manual. It'll have the exact button combo for your unit. Once it's unlocked, everything should work like normal again.